Hello everyone, my name is Alex and I'm here with another HSB Academy tutorial session. With the release of hsbDesign 27 for Revit, we have a lot of new features that we'd like to share with you. Today, we'll be looking at something called the Extension Group Manager. This is something that some of you might already be familiar with as far as our plugins go. So it's a tool that will be able to run externally to the Framing Styles editor, which will apply our plugins or our extensions. So plugins are a tool that you can find within the Framing Styles editor, like I mentioned. Typically when you're creating your framing styles for your walls, your floors, roofs, there's a tab here called plugins. This would allow the user to add extra tools that would be added on generation of your framing. For today, we'll be looking at two examples, the MEP tooling and some nail lines that will be added to the project. So this, if I was to add these, let's say MEP tooling and MEP converter, these are some plugins that I could use that whenever I generate the framing for this A wall, these tools would then come and enhance the project. It would be adding extra framing, it would be adding extra data depending what the plugin does. But what we've done now is we've gone ahead and added a way for you to run these tools, these extensions, outside of the framing of the walls. So you can run these at any time during a project when you feel like this is the right time to be using these extensions. So in the Output tab, you'll notice now there's an Extension Tool section. So you got the Extension Manager and the Extensions Runner. So we're going to open the Extension Group Manager. And right here you'll notice the exact same plugins that we just saw within the Framing Style Editor. I've gone ahead and added them to a group, and I also have one for nail lines. So what you do is basically just hit the add button here, and then you can hit add from this side and have that list of plugins that we're just looking at. So with these created, so what I can now do is use the runner tool. I'll be able to pick from a drop-down menu from those groups that I've created. So I'm going to select nail lines. I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to pick my item container and I'm going to hit finish. So now we'll be able to see the nail lines created on our sheathing. I'm just going to let that finish up. There we go. Just going to zoom in here. So now I have my nail lines. If you're looking for more information about these plugins and how to use the Extension Group Manager, you can always look up on the HSB Academy website and look for some of the documentation there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time with another tutorial session.